In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pause in ElevenLabs text-to-speech. Before we dive in, I want to mention that you can support us by using our affiliate link when signing up for ElevenLabs. Now, let's get started. When you're working with ElevenLabs text-to-speech and looking to add pauses in your generated audio, there are a couple of methods you can employ. The first and probably the simplest way to insert pauses is by using multiple periods, or what we call ellipses. This technique is quite straightforward. As you type out your text, whenever you find a spot where a pause naturally feels needed, simply insert a series of periods, like this. Doing so signals the system to add a brief pause at that point in the text, which can really help in making the audio sound more natural and engaging. However, if you want a bit more control over the pauses and expressions, you might want to try out the features in the new 11v3 model. This model provides an enhanced way to manipulate the audio expressions by using various tags. One of these tags is specifically meant for adding pauses. Here's how you can do it. Within your text where you want the pause to occur, you just type the word pause and wrap it with opening and closing square brackets. So it should look something like this. Pause. By inserting this tag at the desired location, you're telling the AI to interject a pause right at that moment, providing you with a precise control over the timing and flow of your audio. Integrating this technique adds a more sophisticated touch and can be especially useful if you're working on more complex projects where the natural ebb and flow of speech are critical. Once you've placed your ellipses or tags within your text, you're all set. Just let the system do its magic and you'll hear the pauses seamlessly incorporated into the speech output, enhancing the rhythm and making it sound more human-like. And there you go. Those are the methods you can use to add pauses in ElevenLabs text-to-speech. It's really that simple. By using either the ellipses or the pause tag, you can elevate the fluidity and naturalness of the audio, tailoring it to suit your needs perfectly. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it will make your text-to-speech projects sound even better. Remember to support us by signing up through our affiliate link if you haven't yet. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.